Today, I'm going to explore Taku AI, where you can discover AI apps and use them without any external setup. And the best part is, if you want to create your own AI apps, you can take features from existing apps, remix it, and make it your own. So let me show you how we can use it. So here we go. So this is the Taku AI website. I'll give you the link in the description. Now let me just show you that how we can use it. So first of all, we need to download this. Okay. So what I'll do here, I'm going to just click on the sign in and just log in with your Google account. Continue and now download this. So let's click on that download button. Now it's downloading. Once it's downloaded, we need to install the software. Now we have downloaded this. Now as you can see, this is the file. Just double click on this and then install this Taku AI. Now we have installed it. Now open this and simply sign in with your Google account. Now this is a Taku AI. This is look like as a new desktop. So this is a dashboard. In the top, you will see here, these are the credits we have right now. In the bottom, you will see here the chatbot. You can use here any app, so you can mention the app to modify them and make it your. You can describe your idea here and you can create the apps here. In the right side, we have multiple options. It's like first we have app library. Once you click on this, you will see a lot of apps are here. Second is we have the marketplace. And here we have all the apps from the community. As you can see, top installed, creator to follow, fresh from the community, and you can search all these apps by the category. In the left side, you will see the finances, design, development, data, writing, and all categories. We have here option like browser. So they have the separate browser, so you can use it. And in the last, we have game center, so you can use it. Now, let me show you how we can open the app. So first of all, open the community. And let me just try any apps. You can search here any apps like weather app. Like this is the weather forecast. Open this and just simply run this app. And the best part is you don't need to set up anything here to run all these apps. So let's wait some seconds. And here we have app. Now we have the multiple apps here. Now let me just open another app called the gratitude notes. Now this is our gratitude app. Here you can write and save it. Now if you want to modify it, and I just want to add one feature is like I want to get a random gratitude from my list. So I want to add this feature. So what I'll do here, simply open that chat and just simply use as a rate, just simply use at and the apps. So I want to this gratitude apps. Okay. And I want that get random gratitude from my list. Simple. And just enter. So he will analyze all the things and create an app for you and deliver it. So this is really fantastic. So this is our modified app. Now here we can write anything. Let's add some notes. Let me just add another one. And here you can see the memory of the day. Let's click on this. Now as you can see, today is my best day. This is the random memory I have from my gratitude list. Now once your app is ready, so you can see this is the button called publish. Click on this. Now you can make that app public. Like as you can see the author name, you can change the app name and you can generate a short and detailed description with the AI like this and select the category. And here's the option of flowchart preview. So you can generate this. Click on this. So once you generate a flowchart, it means that will show the flow of our app, how this app gonna work. So as you can see, write a gratitude note. And now let's click on the save and continue. Now just click on the I confirm and just click on publish publicly. In this chat box, we can use multiple things as like use the iterate. And as you can see here, files and folder we can select. We can select here the APIs, which API you want to use. Suppose if you want to use Airbnb API or other API, so you can use it and create the apps. This is fantastic. You don't need to set up anything. And not just that, we have options like integrations, like we can integrate the other third-party apps with our app and we can mix our own apps. And we have the option of skills also. So you can use this skills like app builder, browser operator, Discord, Flow, GitHub. And once your app is done, you can make it public in Taku AI. So other people can use it. So they are launching a lot more features in coming weeks. They have a pricing plan, free, starter, standard, and pro. In the free, you will get the 1000 credit. So you can choose the plan according to your requirement. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.